The type of power you get from the battery on an M18 blower is just constant the whole time. You have no drop off until the battery is completely dead.
It makes our job so much easier. This Gen 3 blower has so much power.
Time is money in our business, so the quicker we can get in, the quicker we can get out, the better. We don't have to worry about pull starting it. You hit that throttle and you're off and running.
You don't have to let it warm up. You don't have to worry about fuel system failing on it.
This blower is super quiet, makes it easy for us to not have to worry about the noise restrictions that we're seeing.
I have job sites where you can't make noise before 7 or even 8 a.m. Being able to start sooner, I can get more work done.
Our guys can just cruise through their day with no problems.